Good morning one and all. Now in today's class we'll be studying about importance of achievement motivation. Now you already know that what is the meaning of motivation. Motivation means what? Giving guidance, encouragement or inspiring a particular individual. Now what is the importance of achievement motivation? Now point by point we can go through that. First one is what? Reward and appreciation of high performance of subordinates is useful for raising their achievement need level. Now here, reward and appreciation of high performance of subordinates. Now motivation means what? Now whenever any individual, he can be a subordinate or employee, when he shows a betterment or improvement in the performance, that time what happens? Reward has to be given to the employees. Now what kind of reward will be given? Reward can be given as a monetary reward or non-monetary reward. Now what do you mean by monetary reward? Monetary reward means what? In the case of money, okay, like means increasing their salary, okay, that is a monetary reward. And non-monetary reward means what? Praising or appreciating the employees. Now usually what happens, now in the organization, if an employee is showing a better or improvement, good performance and all that, and if he is not been given the reward, then what happens? Next time he will not show any betterment or improvement in the performance. So whatever the employee, whichever the employee is showing an excellent or a good performance, no, for such kind of the employees, reward has to be given. Reward and appreciation of high performance of subordinates. Appreciation means what? If they are showing a high performance, okay, for that purpose reward and appreciation has to be given for raising their achievement need level. So once the reward is been given for such kind of the employees, no, so next time again they can show improvement in their performance. Then next one, motivation of employees is possible by developing the desire for higher achievement in their mind. Now how the motivation of employees possible? By developing the desire for higher achievement. So desire has to be developed. So how they can raise or increase their achievement level? Okay, before they did not achieve any kind of a thing, so how they can increase their achievement level? Then achievement motivation is essential for the success of an enterprise. So achievement motivation is essential for the success of an enterprise, because what happens if motivation is been given to the employees, it will lead to the success of an organization. So that time what happens? All the employees will try to show a betterment or improvement in their performance. So achievement motivation is possible. So how the organization or enterprise can become successful? Then next one, every employee should have some objective which they desire to achieve. So each and every employee must be having some or the other objective. Okay, some of the other objective means what? See, every employee should set one target or a goal. So what all efforts they can do in order to reach or achieve that goal or objective. Okay, so here it doesn't mean only the organization should be having or setting the goals or objective, but apart from that, even the employee should be setting whatever the goals or objective, and they should work very hard in order to reach or achieve that goal. The next one, it can be used as a motivating factor for economic progress of a nation and even for the success of an entrepreneur. So here achievement motivation, it can be a motivating factor for economic progress of a nation, means how the nation can grow and progress, and it can also lead to the success of an entrepreneur. Then the next one is, an entrepreneur has to put forward some objective before every employee and encourage the employee to achieve the same. Now suppose in the organization the entrepreneur is there, he should tell whatever objectives, he should put forward some objectives in front of the employee, And what the entrepreneur has to do, he should try to encourage the employees to achieve that particular objective. Okay, So each and every employee should try to work very hard in order to reach or achieve that goal or objective. The next one, to create the desire for achievement of objective is a way to motivate the employees. Now the desire for achievement also should be created. So in that way, how they can try to motivate the employees. Now this is all about the importance of achievement motivation. Now just briefly I will tell you, reward and appreciation has to be given. Okay, like suppose whichever employee is showing a good or a better performance and all that, for such kind of employees reward has to be given to increase their achievement level. Then motivation of employees is possible by developing the desire for higher achievement. So once the employee has been motivated, his desire for achievement level increases. And achievement motivation is essential for the success of an enterprise. Because what happens once the employee has been motivated, it leads to the success of an organization. And each and every employee should have some objective. Okay, once he will set whatever the objective, okay, then he will have that desire to achieve that objective. You already know that organization will set some objectives or goals, and how the organization will work very hard in order to reach or achieve that goal or target. So like that way, even the employees who are working in the organization, they should also set some objectives or goal, and they should work very hard in order to reach or achieve that goal. Then it can be used as a motivating factor for economic progress of a nation. Here what happens, how they can lead to the progress of a nation. An entrepreneur also should put forward some objective before every employee. Because what happens, if the entrepreneur will put objectives in front of the employees, and he should also try to encourage and motivate the employees to achieve the same, and to create the desire for achievement of objective. How the desire can be created in order to motivate the employees. So this is all about the importance of achievement motivation. Thank you.